Alright, so this video is going to be on how to read your course calendar. Make sure I'm seeing the same thing you guys are seeing. So going into content, the syllabus should be up now. I think it wasn't up before, and the course assignment should be up again. This was a presentation I went over today. I'll number them so it kind of makes sense if you're downloading them to be in a certain order. You can skim the learning objectives if you click on it. Kind of covers what we expect you to learn through this course and some more introduction stuff. This right here is what you'll learn to understand. It's a little kind of over the top right now, which if you haven't read the book or anything, I think you'll be a little lost reading it. So just skim it. I'm not going to present it until maybe later to revisit it. As you can see, I clicked on course assignment schedule, and here's the course assignment. It mentions the pretest. You can take it for bonus. It's not expected that you know much about it or at all. So just take it and answer what you think is the best answer. You can also introduce yourself in the discussion board. So do that. As you can see, we're supposed to cover chapter 1 to 2. Basically, it's sampling. And we'll cover that starting on Thursday when we meet. We'll start talking about sampling. So try to read chapters 1 to 2. If you haven't already gotten the book, you can do the trial version online, and then you'll be able to start reading some content, because that'll be what we're discussing. It might be review for some of you, and it might be completely new to others. And then we'll continue to discuss it. Our next chapter of that is 4 and 19 to 20. So until September 15th, we'll be talking about these chapters. So 1, 2, 4, 19, and 20. And we'll proceed and through it as we go, and we'll see where we're at. And I'll remind you which chapters to read, so it makes more sense to you. As you can see, your Aplia homework assignment is due on September 10th. So kind of a little bit before what we cover on chapters 19 and 20, but it does go over chapter 4. So yeah, I'll remind you again once we get close to September 10th that your homework is due. September 6th is when you should post a question post, and a reply post will be due at September 10th. Again, your first quiz will be due also on September 10th. I mean, it will be available on September 10th, and it'll be due September 13th at the 11th. And I'll finish off Unit 1. So we'll be done with Unit 1 by September 15th. So that's kind of all you have to worry about now. If you want to look ahead, this is the continuing schedule and assignments. So take note that it's not a linear reading. You don't go chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it jumps around. So just be aware of that. And that's it for reading the course calendar.